A day of small problems. Listen, answer quickly, and keep the conversation polite. Excuse me, is this the bus stop for the center?
Yes, but the bus is late today.
Oh, how long is the wait?
About 10 minutes.
Leo wants to check again later. Okay, I'll wait here.
If it doesn't come, take the next one.
Thanks, that's helpful. That's helpful is a simple, friendly thank you. Sorry, I ordered tea.
Oh, I'm sorry, this is coffee.
No worries.
I'll change it for you.
Do I need to pay again?
No, it's our mistake.
No worries is a friendly way to say it is okay.
Sorry, my card isn't working.
You can try again.
It still doesn't work.
She has cash in her wallet.
Can I pay in cash?
Yes, cash is fine. Do you need a receipt?
Yes, please.
Cash is fine means cash is okay here. I have a headache.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't.
Take this with water.
Leo wants to know when. When should I take it?
After food.
How many times a day?
Twice a day.
Twice a day means 2 times in one day.
My phone screen is broken.
I can check it for you.
How much will it cost?
I need to look first.
She wants to know the time.
How long will it take?
About 1 hour.
Excuse me, how do I start this machine?
Put the soap here, then press this button.
Do I pay now?
Yes, tap your card here.
How long does it take?
About 30 minutes.
How long does it take is useful for machines, travel, and services.
Hi, do you have a table for 2?
Do you have a booking?
No, we don't.
That's fine, this way please.
Could we sit by the window?
Sure, no problem.
A booking means a reservation.
Are you Leo?
Yes, the airport, please.
Sure, put your bag in the back.
Leo wants to check the time. How long will it take?
About 20 minutes.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card is fine.
Small problems are easier when you know the simple line. Practice one today.